Hello folks from Erstavik Nature Reserve, and a wonderful Friday on this 15th of September and beach day number 137 on my Sweden beach adventures. Yeah, it took me 16 kilometers to reach here from my home with my dedicated cube. Around 35 minutes, and I am ready for an adventure out on the Baltic Sea. So yeah, September it's halfway through and I'm still continuing my Sweden beach adventures, of course. Now we have 18 degrees in the air and we're gonna see how warm it is also in the water very soon. So yeah, let's then go into the sea. Yes, so this over here, it's a nice rocky beach also, and it is right next to the main sandy beach, Erstaviksbadet, that I have shown you sometime in May, June on my channel. So this beach is right next to the path that is used for walking, running and cycling in the nature reserve that's called Erstavik, of course. And here we have a little bit more difficult entry in the water compared to the sandy beach, obviously, but it feels a bit more natural here. I don't know, it's amazing. Look at that. Look at that. So nice. Yeah, and September is still offering great weather, and let's see how long I can maintain to visit the sea. Also, I will be for the next 3 days on a travel to Macedonia, so the Sweden beach adventures will be paused up until Tuesday next week. So yeah, it's gonna be really fun to come back to Sweden and swim again. So we will continue with my beach adventures all the way to November, hopefully, if it doesn't come to a super cold winter. Alright, let's then kick off the thermometer in already and get ready to experience the Baltic Sea today on this wonderful Friday, 15th of September. Here we have some rocks and seaweed at the entrance from the rocks, and we can see Tyruso on the other side. Alright, I'm partly in now with my legs and I will want to go a bit more further. Okay, I think it is deep enough to dive in, so let's go! Woohoo! Amazing! So beautiful. Actually, it's not that cold. Let's see what the temperature says over here. 17 degrees Celsius, still warm in the Baltic Sea, and still fantastic to be able to continue my beach adventures. Yeah, this was Erstaviksbadet, like rocky beach next to the Erstaviksbadet in the nature reserve Erstavik. in Nacka municipality, Stockholm region. Thanks for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!